It was sweet news for controversial lawyer and politician Miguna Miguna after High Court in Milimani through Judge Chacha Mwita ruled that his deportation earlier this year was unlawful and in contravention with the Constitution.
A declaration is hereby issued that the manner in which the respondents conducted themselves resulting into the purported cancellation of the petitioner's citizenship, revocation and confiscation of his passport or other travel identity document, and the declaration that he was a member of a prohibited class and a prohibited immigrant and his removal from Kenya were done in violation of the rule of law and in direct contravention of the provision of the Constitution to guide each of the respondents, and was therefore an abuse of office.
The court also granted Miguna Miguna 7 million shillings as damages for his arbitrary deportation. He will also receive 200,000 shillings for damages to his house. The court added that cancellation of his passport was also unconstitutional, claiming that Miguna never lost his Kenyan citizenship when he acquired his Canadian passport. Mwita argued that the government should have used the courts to give him a fair hearing in declaring Miguna an immigrant, adding that Interior Cabinet Secretary Fred Matiang'i and Inspector General of Police Joseph Boynet violated the embattled lawyer's right by deporting him. Miguna was arrested and deported shortly after swearing in former Prime Minister Raila Odinga at Uhuru Park, and his attempt to return to Kenya on March 29 this year was cut short at the Jomo Kenyatta International Airport. Elsewhere, former nominated Senator Joy Gwendo today won temporary freedom after she was released by the High Court in Milimani on a 400,000 shillings cash bail pending the hearing of her appeal. In her ruling, Lady Justice Grace Ngenye granted Gwendo bail after she appealed her sentence. Gwendo was last Friday sentenced to 2 years in jail by Anti-Corruption Chief Magistrate Douglas Ogoti after pleading guilty to charges of fraud and abuse of office. She had failed to repay 2.2 million shillings belonging to a sacco in Kisumu and failed to honor her plea bargain to repay the money. For Scales of Justice, I'm Ben Troy Njue.